So, we were supposed to be taking a test on fact families and also on missing add-ins this today in class, but you have to do that now at home. I know, friends, I feel what you feel. Learning math and teaching math online is really hard because I'm not there with you to help fix your mistakes. I'm not there with you to show you using, manipulatives like the cubes or like the little bears or like the chips we use. It's hard because I can't interact with you as much, but I believe that you are all bright and capable of doing this mostly by yourself. So I'm just going to review a little bit about this and hopefully help you if you haven't taken your math test yet. The math test is the last page on the packet. So to review a fact family, sometimes you'll have to use a picture to make a fact family. So you're going to have to identify the two different groups and start there. So the two groups that I see are the whitefish and the grapefish. So I'm going to start with addition. It's always easier to start with addition. So what you would do is you would count how many gray there are, so 2. So you would write 2 plus however many white, which is 6, and then you would find the total. Now fact families, it's all about reversing. So let me show you. So if you notice here, 2 plus 2 plus 6 is 8. But you can also find the same answer if you start with the 6 fish first. So it's all about just swapping or flip-flopping these. So 2 plus 6 is the same as 6 plus 2. And similarly with subtraction, you'll always have the same answer. So with subtraction though, you have to remember, you must, I repeat, you must start with the bigger number. If not, it's going to be incorrect. So with subtraction, always start with the bigger number. So there's 8 in total. If you take the 2 gray fish away, you'll have 6 fish. If you start with all the fish and you take away the 6 white fish, you'll have 2 left. So, So for this one here, there are 2 groups again of turtles, the 3 large turtles and then the 1 small turtle. So let's start with adding the 2 groups up. So you could start with 3 big turtles plus 1 small turtle equals 4. Or you could flip-flop those and start with the small 1 turtle plus the 3 large turtles and you'll still have the same answer. So notice that the 4, when it's addition, notice that when it's addition, the answer is always the big number is always at the end. And notice that with subtraction, the big number is always first. That's what's really, really, really important. That's where most mistakes are made because most of this is simple addition and subtraction, but sometimes the children forget that you have to subtract with the bigger number first. So this is a fact family. These are all the ways that these 3 numbers can be added and subtracted. 3 plus 1 is 4, just like 1 plus 3 is 4. Do you notice how the 3 and the 1 just flipped-flopped? And then here on subtraction, we always start with the big number, and then the ones that get flipped and flopped are the 1 and the 3. So try to make a fact family with this one here. You have 3 numbers, 8, 5, and 3. So push play, pause it, and then push play when you have those answers, and let's check our work. Okay, so you should have the 2 small numbers first, so 3 plus 5, and then the big number at the end, 8. And then again, just switch those numbers. 5 plus 3 is 11. Similarly, 8 take away 3 is 5, just like 8 take away 5 is 3. So in your packet, you also had to do some true false. So true is real, false is pretty much saying like that's not correct. So 2 plus 3 is 5. That is true. 6 plus 4 is 10. You would circle true. 5 plus 2 is 8. True or false? You should circle false because 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 10. True or false? And you should circle the false because 8 plus 1 is 9. And then the last one, 7 plus 2 equals 9. True or false? It is true. Okay, so then you might see some word problems like this that have the missing add-in. So these are really difficult, but again, it's all about focusing and really looking to see what the question's asking you. So let's read it. It says there are two turtles on the grass, so you can see them here. And some turtles are in the pond. You can see those here. John counts 6 turtles altogether. How many turtles are in the pond? So it says here 2 plus equals 6. Well, what's the missing number? We have 2 that are in the grass. So then these are the one that are still in the pond. So the missing number is 2 plus 4. Usually I like to do this with counting on. So I would start at 2 and I would stop at 6, and then however many fingers I'm holding would be the answer. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 4 fingers. So 2 plus 4. I could double check with the pictures. 2 are here, 4 on the pond. So then it says 6 take away 2. So if we had all of these and then we just took these guys away, how many are left? So 4. So 6 minus 2 equals 4 is a related subtraction fact. Turtles are in the pond. How many are in the pond? We figured out that 6 are. So try to do this one by yourself. Helen has some dolls. You can see them there. She puts party hats on 3 of her dolls. You can see the ones that have the party hats. 4 dolls do not have hats. How many dolls does she have? So we need to figure out how many in total. So this is an easy one because you have the picture here. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in total. Take away the 3 that have hats equals the 4 left over. So it says 3 plus 4 equals is a related addition fact. So when we are subtracting, the big number goes first. When we're adding, the big number goes last in a fact family. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So in total, she has 7 dolls. So what I want you to do is I want you to make this into a fact family. So there are 2 groups. There are 5 pencils and 2 rulers. I want you to pause the video and solve all 4 of those addition and subtraction math facts. And then I want you to do the one with the 3 ducks and the 7 chickens. You can send the answers to me on Class Dojo. I look forward to seeing them. Good luck. Bye, friends.